Welcome to the Explainer. Look, if you are ready to ditch the hassle of manual money management, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to make you completely confident in managing your finances seamlessly with Commonwealth Bank direct deposits. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to automate your income securely and take absolute control of your cash flow.
Because honestly, aren't we all just a bit tired of manual transfers, high wire fees, and those annoying delayed payments? Setting up direct deposits is literally the ultimate convenience hack. It saves you so much time, totally eliminates the guesswork, and ensures your money lands securely in your account exactly when it's supposed to, without you having to lift a single finger.
Here is our roadmap for the Explainer today. We'll cover 1. The direct deposit advantage. 2. Gathering your account details. 3. Setting up your payments. 4. Routing forms and allocations. And 5. Security and troubleshooting.
Section 1. The direct deposit advantage.
Okay, so let's start with a macro view of how funds actually move around. While we casually call it a direct deposit, in the Aussie financial sector, it's formally known as a direct credit. And this is basically the mechanism integrating your cash flow. It runs via the traditional bulk electronic clearing system or the real-time new payments platform for things like your salary, dividends, and settlements. It's the absolute foundation of getting paid securely.
Section 2. Gathering your account details.
Now, before we can actually route anything, you need your specific credentials. Getting this right is absolutely non-negotiable if you want to avoid misdirected transactions. You need two very specific things: your 6-digit BSB code, which stands for bank, state, branch, and your 8-digit account number. Now, I really can't stress this enough. Your 8-digit account number is completely different from that 16-digit number slapped across the front of your debit card. Do not mix those up.
Actually, it's kind of cool how the Commonwealth Bank BSB code is structured. It universally starts with the digits 06. That's the bank identifier. Then that third digit, it literally tells you which Australian state or territory the branch is in. And finally, those last 3 digits zero in on your specific physical branch or regional hub. It's like a financial zip code.
Here's a massive pro tip for you that will save you a headache later. Occasionally, you're going to run into some clunky legacy payroll software or a government database that absolutely demands a 9-digit account number. But wait, your CommBank account only has 8 digits, right? No problem at all. Just add a leading 0 to the very front of your 8-digit number. It satisfies the external system perfectly without messing up your routing. Total game changer. And finding these details is a total breeze. Just jump onto the CommBank app or log into NetBank. Tap on the Accounts tab. Select the account you want, and boom, your BSB and account number are right there at a glance. You can also pull up past statements right in the app to double-check everything if you need to.
Section 3. Setting up your payments.
So let's talk about actually routing your funds, especially if you want your money instantly. You've got options here. Traditional transfers use the BEX network, which relies on multi-day batch processing. It works, but it takes time. However, if you route via the new payments platform using OSCO, your inbound deposits can clear and hit your available balance in under 60 seconds. Near instantaneous. To tap into those lightning-fast speeds, setting up a Pay ID is the way to go. A Pay ID basically acts as a super secure proxy for your banking details. You can get paid without ever handing out your actual account number. Just open the CommBank app, tap your profile, select Pay ID from the settings, and then simply choose to link your mobile number, your email, or your ABN. Super simple.
Section 4. Routing forms and allocations.
Once you've got your details or Pay IDs sorted, you actually need to tell your employer, your clients, or government agencies where to send the money. CommBank actually provides these really handy standardized templates in Word format on their switching portal to make this completely painless. Whether you need a salary letter to redirect your wages with your employee ID, a direct credit form for a third party, or a form for shared dividends that includes your SRN or HIN, the templates tell you exactly what required fields you need to fill out.
And once the money starts flowing in, the CommBank app is phenomenal for modern cash flow management. You can align your tracking windows to match exactly how you get paid, whether that's weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. Inbound salary credits are automatically categorized, but you can totally go in and manually edit those to instantly allocate funds for things like your savings or home loan the second you get paid. Plus, definitely turn on those real-time transaction notifications. There is literally nothing better than getting an instant alert the moment your payday hits.
Section 5. Security and troubleshooting.
Look, when we're dealing with automating your cash flow, security is obviously paramount. For any corporate administrators out there setting up direct credits for payroll via CommBiz, they really lock it down. It utilizes those standardized payment templates to drastically cut down on input errors, enforces a super strict multi-factor authorization protocol for releasing funds, and requires dynamic security passcodes through either a physical token or the mobile app. On the retail side, Combank has this amazing feature called NameCheck. It proactively prevents fraud and simple typos by cross-referencing the destination BSB and account numbers against historical transaction patterns. It literally checks to ensure the payee's name actually matches the registered account name before the money ever leaves. How smart is that?
Bay, what should you do if you actually encounter a mismatch error or you're sitting there waiting on a missing payment? First off, don't panic.
You've got options to sort it out fast. If you're using Combiz and need to troubleshoot, you can contact their 24/7 Australia-based help desk directly at 13 23 39. For retailer customers, it's even easier. Just jump into the app and use the virtual assistant, or if you prefer face-to-face, pop into a local branch. They'll get your direct deposits flowing again.
Now, just a quick heads up before we finish. The information provided in this explainer is current as of August 2026. Since systems and interfaces do evolve, you should always verify these details directly with Commonwealth Bank for any interface updates or changes that might have popped up after this date.
So, we've covered the whole shebang. Are you ready to ditch those tedious manual transfers and take absolute control of your cash flow today? Grab your BSB, locate your account number, and go set up your direct deposit right now. Streamline your financial management and ask yourself, once your money is finally on autopilot, what are you going to do with all that extra time and peace of mind?